Please like and follow my page.
Hi guys, now una get joyful baby care. Ome, e no easy to get money for abroad. The only little advice when I get for my sisters, my mommy, my precious people. Working class good oh. Working class make you dey independent oh. Working class make you get right to many things oh. E no mean say you dey work say you no go fit do anything again. My dear, if you dey work na that time you go fit do many things. You go fit buy house, you go fit buy car. Make we forget all those material things. If you dey work sef, God still make you be an helper to somebody. If people dey think say if dem dey work maybe dem no go fit do anything. See na work I dey. How you see my makeup? How you see my beauty? If you never follow me for this page, may you try follow me. Na good thing we want to come out. You see this lady where they work, you see my nails, they are all natural. Work no mean say make you not do wetin you want or wetin you like. There are time for everything. Sometimes reach when you are allowed to go inside, go make kpaka, you go do man like this. All this for me, but you no go remember that suffer where you dey suffer work. My brothers and sisters wey dey Africa, suffer dey Europe, enjoyment dey Europe. All depend on how you take programmer. Not say na everybody wey go war na dey come back. No, na as you take planner. So work no be matter say one thing o. And secondly, na make you for organize your future. The time when you go pension, na that time you go know whether to work good or not. You see those people where they collect benefits. They go dey enjoy the chopper now because they know they suffer goods. But it get many things wey una go wan put hand. Una no go fit put hand. Una no go fit do one. Why? Because una no dey work put for ground. As I tell you now, my 15 years of working in abroad, I know how much I don gather from one side. You know say if you dey work, you go dey under Sindakati, CGL. It depend on where you dey. They go help you dey gather small money, go government money. So when you go pension, na that one you go go. When they want do Christmas, they go pay you double. When they want do July abi August, they go pay you double. My dear, when you dey receive all those money, if your mind go dey sweet you, go dey jolly you. Now lady, we get a lot to talk well. If you never subscribe to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Kindly click the notification bell because many things go dey come out for my WhatsApp, for my YouTube and my page. We get many things to talk about, but now time go permit me because I work inside. One love. Leave your comments below as a working class woman. Just leave your comments. You are permitted to leave your comments below. I will reply you. Not be say I dey love those people that don't want to work, but I will tell you, may you get the strength to work. Except maybe if you get picky where they under age, which is like under 3 years. If you don't reach 3 years, go put them for school. If you don't have 4 hours, if you don't have 3 hours, that money, like person like me, people say, I like to buy pet, I like to buy makeup, I like to take care of myself. And every time I go dey ask ma, no, if you do ask ma money, sometimes respect you not tell. But when you dey work, you dey assist the man for corner. The man might go dey you 32 teeth go who come surplus. Join this family, joyful baby care. You will never regret. Like and follow. Okay, bye.